Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to escape layer 2 without beating Chaser. Firstly, collect the white orb to open the door as you normally would. While testing methods, it seems you cannot strong left the vault door without powering it up. Unfortunately, you'll need to face the Bone Keeper for this. Now, locate the generator, which is on top of one of the towers. Power it up to activate the vault door, and run back to the creepy NPC and interact with him to progress. Now, go to the Furfire Caverns and find the NPC there. Spam through his dialogue, just press 1 to skip through it quickly. And optional, sit beside him if you're feeling like taking a breather. Now follow the path until you encounter the Deep Driller. Interact with the machine to finalize your escape. The Deep Driller will not allow you to keep any items. You'll need to make your way back to the depths later if required, but escaping is the goal for now. If anyone discovers a way to bypass the Bone Keeper, share it in the comments for the community. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.